If you don't talk to your child about porn, the internet will. Our children are not looking for perfect answers. They're looking for safe spaces to ask hard questions. You might feel awkward. You might feel unsure. But in today's world, if your child has a screen, they're just one tap away from seeing something you didn't plan for. And silence isn't protection anymore, it's permission. So in this video, we're breaking the silence. And we'll guide you step by step on how to have this conversation with love, honesty, and strength. Lesson 1. Why this conversation matters, even if they're young. Let's start here. The average age a child is first exposed to porn is between 9 and 11. Not because they went looking, but because it found them. A pop-up ad during a game, an older cousin with a phone, a funny link from a classmate at school. And here's the truth. Porn doesn't just show unrealistic sex. It teaches distorted ideas about love, consent, bodies, and respect. Lesson 2. What kids think versus what they know. Your child might act clueless when you bring it up. They might giggle, shrug, say, "Ew, that's gross." But inside, they're listening closely, because secretly, they're full of questions. Is this what real relationships look like? Am I weird for being curious? What if I already saw something and feel ashamed? And if they don't hear clarity from you, they'll fill in the blanks from TikTok, YouTube, or worse. If this is resonating with you, hit the like button so we can reach more parents who need this. And don't forget to subscribe. Lesson 3. How to start the conversation, step by step. Here's how to open the door without slamming them with shame. Step 1. Pick the right moment. Don't make it a big sit-down. Instead, talk during casual, safe times. Driving together. Walking the dog. Cooking dinner. Safe space equals open heart. Step 2. Lead with curiosity, not accusation. Say something like, "I read something recently that kids your age sometimes come across inappropriate stuff online. Has that ever happened to you?" You're opening a door, not setting a trap. Step 3. Normalize curiosity. Clarify truth. It's totally normal to be curious about bodies, love, and sex. But porn doesn't teach the truth about any of those things. What you see online is often fake, aggressive, and harmful. Tell them this isn't about guilt, it's about truth. Step 4. Focus on respect, consent, and real love. Let them know. Love is about connection, not control. Real intimacy is based on respect, not performance. Consent isn't just sexy, it's necessary. Lesson 4. What to watch out for. Here's what you don't want to do. Don't shame them, even if they've seen it. Don't make it a one-time sex talk. Keep the conversation ongoing. Don't ignore it, hoping it'll go away. Because in today's digital world, silence is not safety. Lesson 5. How to protect them without controlling them. You can't watch them 24/7, but you can. Set clear screen rules. No devices in bedrooms or bathrooms. Use filters and parental controls, but don't rely on them alone. Encourage open conversation without punishment. Teach them the value of real connection and boundaries. Let them know, if they ever feel confused or scared by something they see online, they can come to you, without fear. This isn't about porn. It's about connection. At the end of the day, this conversation isn't about porn. It's about giving your child the tools to navigate a world that's changing faster than we ever imagined. It's about protecting their innocence not by hiding the truth, but by guiding them through it with courage and compassion. And most of all, it's about making sure they know. No matter what you see, hear, or feel, you can always come talk to me. If this video helped you feel more prepared, like and subscribe to Parenting Vault. Drop a comment. Have you had this talk with your child? How did it go? And remember, you're not alone. We're here to walk with you.